Welcome to Chainsawbob's old Warwoman ride. It's kind of a hard word to say. Warwoman Road is out of Clayton, Georgia, and heads east and goes over to US 28 in North Carolina, just north of the North Carolina-South Carolina border. It's quite a famous road around here. I haven't rode it in a couple of years now. It's the first time I've ever actually taken this bike down this road. But it's an interesting road. There's usually a lot of riders. This was ridden on a Friday, but on the weekend there's lots of riders on this thing. And I just videoed the last few minutes of it, which is the most interesting part of it, because of all the turns and whatnot. You really need to have good tires and stuff to ride this road. It can be a little bit hazardous. But it's just something I really enjoyed to ride on and everything. And just in case you think old Chainsawbob took some kind of a magic pill and magically took about 50 years off my age, I didn't. I increased the speed on the movie by 50%. It looks like I actually am a good rider, you know, like I might have been when I was younger. I don't know. But anyway, we didn't ride quite like this when I was younger because we didn't have the bikes or the tires to do this with. But it looks pretty neat that way at 1.5 speed, and I just thought I would throw this in here, and just in case you really did think I rode that fast, I didn't. Hope you enjoyed this ride. Thanks for watching.